Wow, there are some replacement dust cups especially designed for the Dyson V10, V11 and V12 vacuum cleaners. They are made of high-quality plastic material and exquisite craftsmanship. They even come with a bottom cover and a sealing strip, so when you close it up, it's completely sealed to prevent any dust leakage. How clever is that, right? Now, when purchasing these dust cups, it's really important to double-check the required model. Each dust cup may have slight differences in size and details, so you don't want to end up with a one, you know? Installing this replacement dust cup is a piece of cake. Let me walk you through the installation process for the V10 dust cup. First, you're gonna remove the original dust cup. Flap the container upside down, press the released handle, and then press the container button to slide it down. Next, insert the new dust cup into the back of the container and push the base until the dust cup and base clink into place. Easy peasy. The installation method for the other two dust cups is pretty much the same as the V10. Oh, and if you need to purchase separate bottom covers and handles for the dust cups, no worries, you can totally buy them separately. Hope this info helps, my friend. If you have more questions, feel free to let me know.